Hi everyone, let's take a look at number 224 basic calculator. Implement the basic calculator to evaluate a simple string with parenthesis and plus, minus, non-negative integers and empty cases. The input is like 1 plus 1, 2. This I kind of have done this before, like in my college 10 years ago, like 12 years ago. Oh, I don't know, like 11 years ago. This should be done with the stack, I think. So we will just say const stack. It's array. So in JavaScript it's array. Okay. So after this space doesn't matter, right? Yeah. So for I, let I equal 0, I smaller than s dot length, I plus plus character equals si. Switch character case space break case default break. I cannot use switch because they're all numbers. Non-negative integers. I have to. There's a problem that there might be not only one digit, so I need to. Giải là新嘢稿吧，你知道嗎？夢你要快，真都差唔多回家。Okay. Sorry. Okay. Costa. We create we don't create. So if character equals parenthesis, we'll just stack push character. It's done. If character equals plus or plus if plus minus parenthesis includes character, we push it. If character equals space, const. We need an array to collect the numbers, so temporary temp number equals if character is bigger than 1, it might be 0, right? Okay. Character smaller than 8, 9. Then temp numbers push 0, push character. And for the other cases, we push. For space, we do nothing and push, but we need to flush the numbers. If temp numbers length is bigger than 0, we stack push. We stack push temp numbers join. Then parse int. Yeah, we push it. What about the last number? Okay, we say number is parse this one, and temp numbers we make it empty, splice 0. When we get a number, we have to, there are several cases. The first, check the stack for operator. If stack length const top equals stack pop, it should not be another number, right? So if top equals this one, if is parenthesis, we will just push it, stack push it number. We can use switch now. We can use switch top case. If it's plus, then const second number equals stack pop. And the stack push number plus second number break case minus pop break minus number, and case if it's a parenthesis, we just stack push number break case default. Actually, there is nothing. Actually, the parenthesis is here. wait a minute. Non-negative integers. So the non-negative integers. So the actually parenthesis doesn't matter, right? Anyway, we push it. We push it. We push them. And so we push it like this one, and then we get this. And then if character is equal to right parenthesis, we stack const number equals const top equals stack top. If top because in our case there should be only one number there, so top and then stack top stack push top, and then finally return stack 0. Am I right? Okay, for this case 1 plus 1, yeah, okay, it's definitely right. It's definitely right. Like there are 2 parentheses? Yeah. 2 parentheses, so because we don't push right parenthesis. When we get a right parenthesis, we always get the calculate the result. So we can assume that there will not be something like this. We run the code. Unexpected token default. There's no case default. Shit. Break. What? Unexpected token break. Unexpected token. I don't know why. Second number. So in ES6 there is a scope here. Yeah. Temp number is not defined. Output 1. Expected 2. What? Okay, 1 plus 1, because we find it's 1, we push it, and then we get it again. It's space, so we found the space because we found a number, we pass it, we push the number. Oh, we didn't push it. We push it. And then we go again, we found the space. We do nothing. And then we found plus, we push it. And then we found another number. Const log I character 10 numbers. Okay, because it's 0, 1, empty, place, empty, 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 empty. Ah, God. The end adds the last number, but with +1 lead to calculation. Wrong answer. Console log stack. Okay. Space. Oh, the why the parenthesis is gone? One, okay, and then plus. Just plus. There's no pop. Okay, so the factor is this one, and 1 plus, we got plus, we got this, and then we push. There's no pop, right? We get the number, stupid. Check the stack properties. Wow. No, it is only oh yeah, so actually for this there must be a number. So the number must be pushed. If it's this, we need to push the back again. We need to stack push number, and also we need to stack push the parenthesis. Okay, plus 6, 9, plus, so 11, minus 3, 8, so 1, 8. Ah, we made a mistake because when the right parenthesis is met, actually the calculation within these parentheses are not done for some cases. For like this, so we get 1 plus 11, so we 1 minus 3. For if it's right parenthesis, we will keep popping. while let top equals stack pop. Okay, top while top is not equal to left parenthesis. If this is not true, then we will keep pop. So while it's not so stop number while it is not top character if it is not like this, then it must be a number. So const operator equals stack pop. We need to like this. Switch operator. If case this, and then const number equals parse int pop. Number pop, and if case is like this, we just we don't push here, just push the number back. While stack pop top. Stack if it's not left, we pop it. Number stack pop operator stack pop. Case operator is case. If case we don't do anything. If matched with this one, we push it back. No. Oh yeah, we pop it. Actually, we pop it. When will it be done? This logic is free. This actually is out of control. I'll just rewrite. This doesn't seem right to do. So our solution, our thinking model is that we push it every time we met something. Every time we met the right parenthesis or the parenthesis or the end. If we met the parenthesis, we loop through we pop the operators and the numbers and calculate the result and push them back. If not, we just push them. Right, that must be better. I'll keep the for loop here. Yeah, this is right. Yeah. If there is a number, we push a number. Stack, push a number. And push it. So yeah, and if there's characters, we push them. And if the character is like the end up parenthesis, or I is equal to s.end, we will try with a for loop and pop. And while stack is not. This for loop is like n. Doesn't matter. So we will calculate them until there is this one. While stack okay, so while top const top equals stack pop. So there are several cases. There was a number or it's a parenthesis. So if top is a number, if it is a number, while top is not left parenthesis, until we met a left parenthesis. until we met the left parenthesis. We won't stop, so actually, yeah, be here. It should be a number. Const operator should be stack up. Switch operator, the second number should be up. Again, yeah, push. Top. If this one we should push back. When shall we break? We don't break while true. Yeah, we operator, if this, we push a number and then we break. I cannot break here. We use if operator. If it's a plus sign, else if operator equals minus, we also break. No, we no break here. Else if operator equals left, this one. For sure, we just push a number and break. And finally, after this, sorry. Okay, so for this case, while true, if operator while stack is bigger than 0, we pop. If pop got this one, we stop. Stack push number. He says number is not defined. Sorry, top. Stack push top number. Second number actually. Top. Return stack 0. We console log actor stack. Okay, it's plus 5 4 2 because we got 2, so we top, we got top, so operator should pop, so the operator is plus, so the second number is stack. What does this mean? Second number is pop again, so we push top second number. Top. We got numbers, we got this one, so we pop. Top should be 2. Mid top is top. We made it top is 2. So while stack then there is, and operator should pop, should be plus, and then second number should be pop again, so it's 5. We push back, we push. So here top should be. My mistake, top should be like this. Okay, so 6 is 11, and then we made what is this? -3. So we push this out, so we got 9, and then we plus 6 and 8, 6 and 14, and this should be undefined. Yeah, it is undefined. It is undefined, but we don't do anything. So we finally we got top, and we pushed back, push top. Oh, why not? It's not. It should break. It should break at or stack. Is it possible that we left the and equals 0? We should run this. Yeah, this should be fine. This is the right. This is the best solution. I don't know. Output -1. Why? Get this test case. Okay, space. Okay, 2. So we 2 minus 1 plus 2. 3 minus 1. We didn't keep the order, so when we should create another stack. Okay. Until while there is a calculation should be done. God. Yeah, I made a mistake. It should not be done. You see, for this calculation, it should be 3, but I did it like -1. Wow, stack. We pop. Anyway, while this is while we create a calculation stack. So while stack length, we pop it, and then we if top while stack length there is anything, and then we pop the top. If top it's not top is not left parenthesis, I'll push it to calculation stack. Shift I can't complete. I push into this and then pop it out. This is right. Yeah, calculation push top, and then while calculation stack is there, we top, we get it the calculation stack. Then while everything is there, we pop it, and then we get the operator, and then we push it back, and then operator, we push it back, push back, push back, push back, push back, and then if the operator, there should be no operator like this, so the else, there's nothing. There should be nothing like this, so at the end, else if stack length is 0, we calculation stack length is 0, we stack push top, stack push it back. Okay, run answer. Console log calculation stack. Calc. Oh shit, here. Plus, if there's minus, we should be the top minus the second one. Yay, yay, yay. Oh yeah, I think I've got it right this time. So we need 2 stacks. One stack is stacking all the operators when we met a parenthesis, or met the last is the end of this loop. We can just get all these numbers and operators back to another calculation stack. We can calculate it and in the right order, and then push back to the original one. And if there's the last one, of course, it will be totally right. Submit. Oh shit, there's still something wrong. For this one, how can I make it wrong? Wow, this one is difficult than I thought. Two minus 5. Console log calculation stack. No, the action. I think I made a mistake here. Oh, else I have to put break. Ah, shit! I forgot to break it. Ah, God. Okay, it's not that fast. Let's take a look at the other solutions. Wow, this is awesome. This is obviously cheating. This, God. You guys think you're... this is hilarious. I think maybe my solution is much readable. Okay, let's wrap it up. The first thing is that for these kind of simple solutions, simple calculations, we need to calculate them part by part, like the parts between these parentheses. So our first thing is to stack these operators into a stack, but also take care that in JavaScript we have to check the consecutive numbers as a non-negative integer. So like 1 plus this, we just push it in like just originally. Ignore the space, push it in, and every time we make a right parenthesis, we push these, push the content in the stack. We pop the content in the stack into another stack, which is called the calculation stack. In this calculation stack, there will be no parenthesis, so we can calculate it by the original order. Take care that when we push it in, it's original order, but we push it out, it's a reverse order. So we keep only using the pop method. Yeah. So for this kind of thing, we push it left parenthesis 1 plus sign, and then left parenthesis number plus 2, and then when we met the right parenthesis, we push this back to another stack and remove this one. So we calculate there. This calculation is very simple. We just check if it's plus, we plus, with minus, we minus, and then when we done, we get the result back to the original stack. We will become another one, and we check these parentheses and do it again, and yeah, and also it's not only at the end, not only the right parenthesis, also at the last. So last number we have to do it again. So here for the for loop, we couldn't stop at the s length minus 1. It should be s length, and we checked again here. If this, okay, I add a command. If it is right parent or the end of expression. Yeah. So that's all for this question. Thanks for listening. Hope to see you again.